Switching between designing, say, a homepage of a website, answering client calls, proposals, requests, notification, fixing bugs can become really, really exhausting. That's because our brain starts to burn energy every time we have to shift our focus. You know what it's like. Oh, I've got to check this, got to check that, and our brain overload begins. So, what's the solution? Start to cluster similar tasks. Dedicate one day to do your creative work like wireframing or prototype. Use another day for mainly admin. I mean, I lie, I kind of do admin every day, but answering emails, doing proposals, and things like that. Think of grouping all of your tools into like sections within your day or your week. It's kind of like being able to focus on one thing. Let's just work this through for a moment. For some people, they'll say, we'll do our wireframing on Monday, we'll do our recording of videos on Tuesday, working on websites on Wednesday. It sounds really simple and easy, but in reality, we do have so much to manage. So the best way to do it, like what I do, is from 5 to 8 a.m. is my prep time. If I'm going to do anything during the rest of the day, my 5 to 8 a.m. is my moment to prep. Maybe it's scripting. Maybe it's setting up a website that I'm going to do a tutorial on later. Maybe it's social media posts. Maybe it's just making sure things are in place. And then I will ensure that for the rest of the day, in 1 hour blocks, I'll work on a website. I'll do a recording. I'll do some editing. I'll design a homepage. Right, now I'll go and address the proposals or other emails. I get tons of emails every morning, and I'll address most of them in the morning during my prep time. But if there is something that needs a more detailed answer, or I need to, like, have a good read of that email before I respond, I'll do it later in the day where I've got all of the smaller things out the way. Like I said, design on your zones during your day as to when you're going to focus, and you will avoid brain overload.